If you own a small business, you need an emergency fund. Today, I'm going to help you figure out exactly how much you need and how to get there quickly. What's up, everybody? Craig here. I'm a profit coach who loves helping service-based business owners finally find some peace of mind when it comes to their money. Now, emergency funds, they're essential to business. This is your safety net for when things get tough, a cash cushion to bail you out of problems, to help make sure you can cover payroll, cover your expenses, and most importantly, make sure that you are continually being paid even when things are down. Now, as we all know, in 2020, the world was hit with something that we didn't necessarily expect. And I had a lot of clients whose businesses, the revenue just dropped drastically. Unfortunately, a lot of businesses had to close down. People were really scraping by, jobs were lost. A lot of that was avoided from some of my clients by simply just having some cash cushion. I had one client specifically who had been working with me for over a year before the pandemic actually hit. And so we were using a cash system. We were able to help them build this emergency fund with enough funds in there that when they did take a dip in revenue over 2020, they had some cash to continue to make payroll, continue to move forward with the endeavors they were doing. They had the cash to even pivot in some areas to start bringing in some new business with the new normal. So in your business, how much do you need? What does that look like? Where do you keep it? How do you get there quickly? Let me break it down for you. Step one is to go out and open 2 extra checking accounts or savings account. One we're going to nickname Profit and one we're going to nickname Savings or Vault. Now, bonus points is opening them at a separate bank, having a vault somewhere that you can't easily access. Once you have those accounts open, the next step is to, every time revenue comes in, you allocate a percentage to that profit account. Number one, we want you to be profitable. That should be the priority in business, simply because profitable businesses can focus on their customers better, their employees better, their community, and themselves. So by allocating a certain percentage specified every time money comes in, you put money into that profit account, you are now profitable. Then every quarter, you can take whatever's in that profit account, you can move it over into your vault account. Now, we want to take some for you as the business owner. We usually say about half of what's in that account at the end of the quarter can go to you as the business owner, and the other half can go into your emergency fund or retained earnings in the business. That means quarterly and systematically, we're growing that emergency fund so you do have a cash cushion, once again, when an emergency pops up. Now, if all this talk about profitability and having a system in place is completely new to you, I want you to grab my free profit roadmap. This is a step-by-step guide teaching you exactly how to break that feast or famine cycle within your business, setting up a cash flow system, and prioritizing profitability. So in the description below, be sure to snag that. I'll also link to it right up there for you. Be sure to take advantage of that free content. All right, the accounts are open. We're moving money into them. Now we need the third point, which is how much do you actually need? Now, once you hit that 3-month mark, you can continue to add. I would say no more than 6 months is really what you need for that emergency fund. Now, of course, you can always have more cash reserves than that, but at some point you start to lose money by just having it in a standard savings account. And that's probably where you would want to look at some options for maybe investing or reinvesting it into the business so that money is making you more money. So there you have it. That's what you need to have a full emergency fund within your business. Open the accounts, allocate money to them, and then figure out how much you need to cover 3 months of business expenses and start building toward that number. Now, this talk of profit accounts and vault accounts is just a small piece of the puzzle. There's a few other bank accounts that I recommend. In fact, there are 5 bank accounts that I think every business should have, and I have a video on just that topic. So right here, I will put it there for you to check out. Go watch that next. Before you take the step of opening a profit and vault account, watch that video so that way you know what other accounts are essential to business success. All right, thanks for hanging out. Be sure to subscribe. I talk about this kind of stuff all the time. If this idea is blowing your mind, join us again. I would love to see you. All right, take care.